Hello, and in this lectures today, Groovers, I'm gonna show you how to set up the pixel code, specifically the events for this specific funnel and this specific discovery code strategy. Why is this important, guys? If you don't set it up correctly, Facebook is not going to learn the right way. Remember, the algorithm is a learning machine, and today in this video we're gonna give him the right command to tell him this is what a lead in this specific case means to my business. So I want you to read only these results, and I want you to learn from this kind of results, and I want you to go out there in the internet and find me more of these results. Now, if you, let's say, you try some other funnels and other strategies didn't work, I suggest you to go and delete all the events from the other pages if you use one pixel code on multiple funnels. So because otherwise it will get confusing. Because, or if you have funnels you don't want to touch, create a new pixel code, go watch the video of installing the pixel code, install a new pixel code to this new funnel, a new strategy you're trying, and keep it clean. All right, so now my pixel code is already installed, and the first thing, you go to the funnel builder, and most of them look the same or similar. So I have the first page, which is the opt-in. I will not install anything here because this is just a view page event. It doesn't mean absolutely anything to my business, and I don't want this to learn anything here. The next page is where people get wonky, and if you install so this is the page where you get the people. So this is the non that interested leads. So if you install a lead event to this page, Facebook will learn only from people who are coming to this page. And yes, your leads might be $2, $3, $1, $5, $10 per lead, but Facebook is not going to recognize the people who are booking calls, but it's going to recognize the people that are just coming to this page. And this is a very common mistake new people on the internet do. The fact that somebody gave you their details on this page and they landed to this page, it's not a lead, not in this specific case, because in this specific case we care about booking calls. And we want to install our lead event on the next page, which is after booking the call. So I might install here some event just to see how many people are landing, which I don't have to because I don't care, and I can see them all in my email software, right? And then they're just populating. And then what you want to do in your email software, you want to segment these people with people who are actually booking a call. So now what I'm going to do, you're going to create book a coffee chat. We know what happens. They go to Calendly, and once they book a call, we said we're going to redirect people to our booking confirmation page. So I have the pixel installed on this whole funnel, and this is that page. This is the unique URL. So now, obviously I said I haven't built this page to be fancy. I explain you exactly what it means to have this page. So I just need this URL. So I get the URL, because for me in this specific case, only if somebody lands to this page, only then and only then it's a lead. And I want Facebook to count only the people who come here. So I want people to learn only from the people who are booking the calls. I don't care if they give the opt-in in the previous pages, because that's not my business objective. So now I take the unique URL, remember, make sure the URL is correct, and we go to our ads manager. Basically we hover on the left and we go to our events manager. So if you don't remember, the three lines menu, the burger menu as they call it in UK, and you find the events manager. You have ads manager, audience manager, everything. We find the events manager. Where is it? Here it is. And then you go to data sources. So if you already have your pixel firing, you can see this is events we installed before. So I need to clean it because I'm going to install a lead event to the new one, or we have another pixel code, but let's not get confused. So we come here. So this is the pixel code I installed, and you go here where it says manage integrations. So you click manage integrations, you click here manage, and you go open event setup tool. Now it says, okay, now I need to give the command that this is what lead means, right? So I'm going to click open event setup tool, and it says, okay, give me the right URL. Here is the right URL, and it gets open website. So we already did this in other strategies as well. You wait a little bit, and now it's going to open the page, and here it is. Like the setup tool is come. Because I didn't install a button here, because we don't need it at this point, unless you could have, for example, a button there that says, hey, join my Facebook group, my free Facebook group. So I didn't install a button, it just tells me, because when you come to the events, you can install a button or you can track a URL. But because, okay, let me fix this. Give me a second, because it doesn't allow me to install events. Give me a second. Okay, guys, so in the meanwhile, I just install a button there, so everything looks fantastic now. Just add a button, join my Facebook group, etc. And you can even hide the button if you have any problem, but I don't know why this happened. But anyway, you here, again, when you come here, you track the URL. So the optimization here is, you're saying Facebook, if somebody lands on this URL, it means a freaking lead. So you optimize your ads for this specific event, which basically means somebody has to go through the whole journey and then he is lead. You might get 100 leads signing up for the opt-in form on the first page, but only 5 book a call with you. And we care about those 5 only, because this is the kind of event and the kind of action we need to grow our business. So now you're going to choose here events on this page. You see all events, so I can go and delete if I have events somewhere, because I want to keep my pixel code clean. Because if you have 2 funnels and they're firing, the ad is going to find the lead for some other funnels, become a mess. So as that, keep clean, have new pixel codes for other funnels, or just clean them all if you have only one strategy, and you should not have anything else than one strategy unless you're making hundreds of millions of dollars. So events on this page, track URL, you select track a URL, and this is very, very important. Before we select the event, don't select equal, always select contains. Because if you select equal and there is some parameters and tracking sheet that change the name of the URL a little bit, it won't track your, not sale, your lead event, your result. So always use contains. If anything happens, it will be all right. And now you select the event. What is it? It is a lead event. Is there a value? No, there's no value. It's just a book a call event. You go confirm. Fantastic. Finish setup. See, guys, it's super freaking easy. Super easy. Like, super easy. Now we come back. Now what we want to do is we want to test the event. Sometimes, guy, it takes half an hour, 1 hour, next day this to work. Sometimes it works. In one of the other videos it worked immediately, so let's see now. So again, you're using Pixel, website events, you click there. You put the exact link, open website. Now it opens the website, and if you come back, let's see, we'll see if it's going to register the event. Page view, event may be you see, event may be delayed up to 30 minutes. So that's exactly what I said. So it works, 100% it works, and sometimes you just run the test, it just doesn't appear immediately. It shows you that it saw the page, but it's not sure. So, and if you come later and refresh, the event will show up there. So, waiting for activity, again, I told you, depends, sometimes it's late, but it works. And that's how you install the event pixel code, so you can optimize your ads correctly. And now I'm going to show you how to set up your ad in the next video to use this exact event. So I hope this helps, and I see you in the next lecture, guys.